Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on Whatnot if you are a beginner. So selling on Whatnot can be very profitable, but it works best if you treat it like a live show plus e-commerce business. So we are going to show you different ways and how you can do that, and we are going to give you advices. So first and foremost is you have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for the Whatnot website. Okay. Then after that, you just have to sign up for an account. Okay. So after creating your account here on Whatnot, you'll be able to see this become a seller option. So when you tap on this one, you just have to follow the steps so that you'll be able to create your account for seller. And as you can see right here, since we are from the region where the Whatnot seller is not available, so we are added on the wait list so that when this feature and Whatnot is available to our location, then we will be on the wait list. Okay, so here as you can see, this is what the platform looks like. Okay, so you'd be able to see here different accounts doing live selling. Okay, so you have this label at the top and then the number of viewers. Okay, and then you have their titles right here. So you can observe her that all of the titles that you can find here are very detailed and it is related to what they are selling. Okay, so here and Whatnot, you have to sell items that do well in live auctions. So trading, cards, collectibles, fashion, sneakers, beauty, bundles, vintage, and etc. So you just have to choose a clear niche so buyers know what to expect from your stream. So make sure your items are authentic and in good condition. So, trust is everything. And of course, you have to know your lowest acceptable price before starting your auctions. So consider Whatnot fees, packaging, and shipping costs. So the auctions can go lower than expected. So do not list items that you cannot afford to discount. Okay, so for example, right here, so we have here different categories. So for example, um, you can search here available products or items, and then during your presentation and live selling, should have good lighting, camera angle, and audio matter, of course. So it should be energetic, friendly, and engaging. So people buy from sellers they like. So just have to clearly explain the item condition, the size measurement, and then any flaws. So transparency avoids disputes and refunds. And of course, consistency and scheduling. So you have to go live consistently, same days and times to build returning buyers. For example, you do your live selling every 6 p.m. So you have to be on time every day. And then you have to promote your streams ahead of time on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and etc., where you can invite more users to watch your live selling. So you have to treat each stream like a mini show, not just selling items. And for the audience engagement, you have to talk to the chat. So you have to call out usernames. You have to, send your gratitude to your buyers. And then you can also run giveaways or bundles to keep your viewers engaged. So you can build a community, not just one-time buyers. And for the shipping and fulfillment, you can ship items quickly and securely to maintain good ratings. So you can use properly packaging to avoid damage. Always double check your orders before shipping. Okay? And for the platform's rules and fees, so you have to follow the Whatnot seller policy strictly, especially for authenticity, understand the fees, the payout timelines, and prohibited items. So violations can lead to account suspicion. And for the ratings and reputation, so good reviews increase the buyer trust and your future sales. So you can handle issues professionally if a buyer has concerns, and one bad experience can hurt long-term growth. So you have to remember that. And for your inventory management, you can track what's sold and what is listed. So you can avoid overselling or losing items during your live streams. You can prepare items in advance to keep stream, flowing smoothly. And for um, mindset and your patience, growth may be slow at first, especially if you are a beginner here on Whatnot, but you have to focus on improving each stream. So, successful sellers build momentum over time, not just overnight. Okay, so here they also have the Whatnot affiliates. Okay, so for example, since the seller account is not available in our current region, you can also sign up for the Whatnot affiliate. So if you want to get paid to share the app you already love, so whether you're a content creator, run an online community, or have a website, blog, or newsletter, you can now join the Whatnot affiliate. So you can part of the future shopping only in Whatnot. So to sign up, just have to go here and click on this one. So here again, Whatnot is the largest live shopping platform in the North America and Europe to buy, sell, and discover the products you love. So with multiple categories, you can find rare and unique items from sports cards, collectibles, comics, Pokemon, fashion, beauty, and more. Okay, so for example, we are going to sign up for the affiliate account. Okay, so you just have to tap on it. Okay, so here you just have to tap on this one, and as you can see right here, you have here your language. So you just simply tap on it, and then you just have to follow the different steps. So you have here the contract terms for the Whatnot affiliate. So we have the purchase 4% to 10% US dollars. So for the payout details, as you can see right here, we have these payout groups. So you have to take note that the bonus payout increases will be paid in the form of a monthly performance bonus. Okay? And for the bonus tires, pay a fixed bonus based on action count for each month. So you just have to read all of these details right here, especially the terms and conditions. Okay? So after that one, you just have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Okay, and then make sure to tap on this box and then tap on the continue option. After that, you can sign up and start earning. So you can sign up with your email. You can use your Apple account, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn, or if you already have an account at impact.com, you can also use that to log in. All right, so after that, you can now start, selling here on Whatnot, even though your account is not a seller account, you can still use the Whatnot affiliate. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.